As a citizen, I've come to realize that corruption isn't just about a political issue. It's a daily burden that affects each and every one of us. Every bribe taken, every misused funds, every dishonest decisions steals resources meant for our hospitals, schools, roads, or our future. It forces us to work harder for the services we have already paid for through our taxes. We often say nothing because it's been normalized, but silence only allows corruption to grow stronger. Imagine if public funds were used for what they were intended for, like clean communities, quality education, and accessible healthcare. We don't need miracles. We just need leaders and citizens who value integrity over luxury. Accountability starts with awareness, and awareness starts with us. Change also starts with each and every one of us refusing to take part in bribery and demanding transparency and voting wisely. If we want a better nation, we must stop treating corruption as something we can't fight and start seeing it as something we can end together. Thank you.